Without a plum cake, Christmas celebrations will never start. Let's make a moist, rich Christmas plum cake. In a bowl, combine cranberries, dried apricots, raisins, few chopped dates, and some golden raisins. To give it a bright citrus kick, add fresh orange juice and a bit of orange zest. We are going to let this soak for about an hour so they get nice and plump. While this soaks, let's prepare the dry base. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, a little baking soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Give this a quick mix to make sure everything is well combined. For the wet ingredients, take 200 grams of butter and blend it right. Add 1 cup of sugar and a quarter cup of jaggery powder, a little spice mix, and a pinch of salt. Blend it all together. Now we'll add 2 eggs, one at a time, blending well after adding each egg until the batter is smooth. Finally, add a few drops of vanilla essence for that classic aroma. Toss in some chopped cashews, walnuts, and almonds to the soaked mixture. Pour this dry fruit and nut mixture into the wet batter and fold it in. Now gradually fold in the dry flour mixture and stir until combined. Try not to overmix. Prepare the baking tin with some buttered parchment paper and pour the batter in. To give that signature plum cake look, I am topping it with some colorful tutti frutti. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Now the cake is ready. Use a toothpick to check it. If it comes out clean, your cake is perfectly baked. To finish it off, I am giving it a light dusting of powdered sugar for the snowy look. It's so much better than the store-bought without any preservatives. It's fluffy, spongy, and absolutely loaded with dry fruits. Happy Christmas!